What's going on, fellow tech tubers? This is Kyle here with Rogue Tech. In my last video, I left y'all with some PC bargain hunting tips. And in this video, I promised that I would be showing off my rig that I use for my gaming and video editing for the moment. So with that being said, we'll take a little dive into it, and I'll give you the breakdown of the system that I have currently and the setup that I am using for all of the videos on this channel. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright guys, this was the case that I'll be using. It is the Noctis 450 by Nzxt. Very big case to house all the components. Solid construction, definitely a workhorse. Has a nice cutout for the window, plenty of airflow on the front with its perforated mesh, and plenty of spacing to draw in air. And if you move up top, you got your power button, your audio jacks, two USB 3.0s, two USB 2.0s, some more breathable mesh that goes all the way under to the side. Look down the side. Good portion of this is all flat. Probably goes back about 1.5 inches for cable routing. Built-in red LEDs, considering this is the red and black version. This also comes in a blue and white version. I apologize for the cable mess. The IO shield comes with a light. There we go. Okay, internally we have the Gigabyte Z170 MX Gaming 5 motherboard with a Intel Core i5 6600K clocked at 4.3 gigahertz. And it's being cooled by a Zalman LQ-310 120mm all-in-one. It keeps things nice and cool around 53 degrees Celsius max temp. Graphics card is a Gigabyte G1 Gaming Windforce AMD R9 390. It stays nice and quiet in there and cool. The PNY solid state drive, 240 gigabyte. That's what houses the OS for this rig. And then mass storage is a 2.5-inch drive, Western Digital Black, 500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM. And on the back side, we've got 3 hard drives for mass storage, different varieties and sizes.
Alright guys, we're gonna run some Cinebench R15 and see about what this setup is gonna get. I admit this is my first time running Cinebench, so hoping for the best for this budget system that I have built. Alright, first test will be OpenGL. And by first time, just to clarify, I mean I ran this a little bit ago. The frames that you see in this run exactly won't be the highs due to the video capturing that is being ran simultaneously with this application. Alright, this run has come to an end, and as you can tell, average of 106 FPS. The high is 137, which is the one that I ran just a little bit earlier. Next we'll move on to the CPU portion of the Cinebench. And this is the i5 6600K overclocked to 4.3 gigahertz. And this score that is going to be displayed is also less than the original run from earlier. $554. The high from earlier was 677, I believe.
Alright guys, you've seen the rig, now it's time to see the rest of the setup. Sorry for the cables, still working on the organization process. Up to desktop. Now I'm working with a 27-inch HP monitor, 1080p. I have a Bluetooth soundbar, the Razer Chroma keyboard. Nope, none of that yet. SteelSeries mousepad. Got the Sound Blaster Rage Tactic 3D gaming headset. And this desk that it is on, I built myself. It's not too bad. Used a piece of plywood, sanded it down, rounded off the edges, put some stain on it and some polyurethane, and found these legs and just put it all together. So let me know what you think. Alright guys, it's about time we wrap up this video. I'm sure y'all are already tired of hearing me. If not, that's awesome. If so, make sure you let me know in the comments. Give me feedback, what you think I can improve on, what you would like to see on the channel. I don't know if you catch it in the other clip or not, but the parts on my desk are for the upcoming build, just waiting on the power supply to come in the mail in the next day or two. And then we'll get that one rolling. The benchmarks in this video will be paired up against the benchmarks of the new system featuring the Ryzen chipset. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later.